Hey guys, welcome back. Aurelia here. We are diving straight into another video editing app since CapCut decided to get cut and leave us. The next app is called Vlog Now. It is super beginner friendly and it has some really nice features that I checked out myself, and let's hop right into it. The free version gives you 100 projects to use, which is super good. And I also like how they give you like a tutorial right before you get started. There's this long list of different things that you can do. Here I'm just going through them. They show you how to, do everything. Crop. They show you how to do this feature I've never even heard of, Cool Shift. And they show you how to do transitions. They show you how to adjust your filters and things as such. So I think that is really helpful for somebody who, is trying to increase their skills when it comes to video editing. So this is the page of tutorials, and I'm about to go ahead and jump straight into some of the features. So here's my video. They have filters, music, you name it. So with the music, you do have to list it in your description if you don't want to get any copyright strikes. But they do have a nice selection. You can search, you can favorite, which is something that I really like, that I can go back and use the sound for another video. They have text, of course. They have different covers and titles, which I really like that as well, just to spice things up a bit. So I chose this one and I'm just playing around with it. I can change the background color of the scribble lines. I can change the video text, as you can see, and just play with that. You can also, of course, make the font bigger, things like that. They have shapes and stuff like that. Then they also, what I really like, y'all, is the fact that they have logos. I love that, especially for YouTube. So you can always add that in your video as well. Now you can also add an overlay. I believe that's what it's called, basically where you add a photo or video within the video. So I just did that, and you can of course make it bigger or however you want it. You can also change the filter, which I like that as well. You can adjust if you know how to do that. I do not. I am still a beginner. I'm still working on that, but that is something that you can do if you choose. So yeah, guys, that was a super quick overview. Again, not an in-depth tutorial. On Vlog Now, you can export it. They have different resolutions, of course. 4K is the best if that is an option for you. So yeah. Also, guys, I forgot to mention again in this video that this video was recorded and edited. No, not recorded, but this video was edited with Vlog Now. So you guys can see all the transitions and the music and all the features that I use with Vlog Now. So guys, with that, I hope this video was super helpful. If you have not checked out my last video, I gave another beginner friendly editing app that we can use despite the CapCut ban. So we are going to just continue to learn new apps and new things, and we're not going to allow this to hold us back, because what they want us to do is to fold. They want us to give up and not continue to push out content. That's what we're not going to do. We're going to keep on going, and we're going to just continue to learn and grow. So I will see you guys in my next video. You guys have an amazing day, and be great on purpose. Bye.